Listen up. The life you're dreaming about, the cars, the travel, the freedom, the respect, it's not going to come to you by accident. You see all these people living the life you want? They didn't get there by luck. They got there because they did what most people are too afraid to do. They bet on themselves, they put in the work, and they refused to quit. Ask yourself, are you truly ready to do whatever it takes to break free from the ordinary? Success doesn't come from sitting around, waiting for someone else to hand it to you. If you want it bad enough, you've got to go get it. Every single day, you need to push yourself, fight through the doubt, ignore the haters, and get up when others stay down. So if you're serious about leveling up, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Get clear on exactly what you want. Write it down, visualize it. Make it so real in your mind that you can feel it. Step 2. Cut out the excuses and start putting in the work. No shortcuts, no pity parties, just straight up hard work. And step 3. Never let fear stop you. The world is full of people who are paralyzed by fear, and they'll tell you to play it safe. But playing it safe is exactly why they're still stuck. So if you're tired of settling, if you're done watching others live the life you want, then it's time to make a change. You've got the power to make it happen. But you've got to start now. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and join me. Let's build the life we deserve.